everybody, it's Charlotte with the Wooden Wick Co. Today on Maker's Moments, I'm going to be talking about where you should sell your candles. If you've started making your candles and you feel you've got a product that's safe and ready to sell, you might be asking yourself, where should I sell them? There are plenty of different avenues that you can use to sell your candles and reach customers. Today I'm going to be going over a few of my top picks for where to sell your candles. First, your friends and family. If you're anything like me, a few of your first customers might be people that are a lot like you or that you already know. Try reaching out to your friends, family, or coworkers and letting them know about your new venture. They may be some of your best and first customers. Next, try a third-party platform like Etsy. Etsy is a marketplace where you can sell your handmade candles and reach many new customers and also take advantage of their advertising platform. Next, farmers markets and trade shows. Meeting with people in person is an amazing way to get feedback on your candles, as well as reach an entirely new audience of people. Research your local farmers markets or trade shows around the world to reach new customers and sell your candles. Trade shows can also be an excellent resource to get into retail and wholesale stores. Next, create your own website. Having your own website builds credibility and also gives you a space to sell your product that you don't have to share with competitors like Etsy, for example. Building your own website can be a little bit tricky, but also fun and give you a space to really own your brand. So, if you're ready to get started selling your candles, first try your friends, family, or coworkers, then explore third-party shops like Etsy or Amazon. Check out your local farmers market and research trade shows, and consider building your own website. Through all of these channels, you'll reach a diverse audience of customers and learn a lot more about what your customers are looking for. You never know who might be ready to make a purchase. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel to stay in the know on all the latest makers, tips, and tricks. Happy making!